We've been booed. Dun 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 dun. So you know what that means. Time to boo the neighbors. In this video, we're gonna show you how to boo your neighbors and do it the right way, not the tacky way. All right, let's go.
Welcome to Natasha G TV. We were booed last night by our neighbors. It's my neighbors for me. We've been booed, y'all.
Place your "We've been booed" sign on your door or a window. Make 2 new sets of treats and "You've been booed" signs. Secretly deliver the goodies to 2 neighbors who haven't been booed.
Oh, that's so cute.
So we gotta make a booed basket?
Yes, and we gotta put them on 2 neighbors' things that haven't been booed.
It was so cool. There's a game that's going around in our neighborhood. I'm sure it's going around other places too. So we decided, because we have to do it, we were booed, we have to boo 2 of our neighbors. So we're in the process of doing it now. We decided to take you along with us. So we're going to be showing you how to boo your neighbor or your neighbors. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to boo your neighbors. In the Dollar Tree, they have a whole lot to choose from.
Like Casper. Think of it as Casper. It's okay. Ooh.
Wait, Casper's a good person?
Casper is a good ghost.
What?
Mommy, and we can get the scarecrow taken out.
of them.
You can put that in the yard.
Wait, I'm gonna do like a cool transition.
Here. And then what else? Yeah, you need
No,
at least 2.
I got this.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's the door thing?
Oh yeah,
Look,
so when the wind blows, it can make that noise.
We've been booed. Dun 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 dun. So you know what that means. Time to boo the neighbors. All right, let's go. So we're going to start with, okay, first you need to pick a color scheme so that everything matches and it looks pretty. So first you have orange, green, and purple, I think. So we're gonna start with one of them. So look at this, you got some. First you need a layer. Okay.
Yes, you need a layer. And I'm going to go to a clip and show you how our boo basket came, so you can see.
Okay.
We're not recording, so you know.
It don't matter, you got the footage.
For me.
So this is our layer. And now we need to do the cup. So you make a little hole, put the cup, hold on, not the paper, and with instructions for them so they can
This
do
is
it.
where you can print your paper from.
And then the cookies right there. Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Okay.
That's where you can print your paper from.
Okay. So the cookies right here. Now we need to put the candy. You get a handful of candy. Put it in there. Oh, hold on. You make sure it overflows because people love candy.
You want to get something of relevance, and this is very relevant for the times that we're living in right now. This hand sanitizer. So put that in there too. We'll just as we put the candy in, we'll decorate it nicely.
All right.
This is what it's looking like.
Give them some more. Yeah, no? That's good. Look at it.
Dang. This y'all play with my dolls for Halloween.
Girl.
Stay where you are.
Oh, that's so cute.
Boo them, boo them.
I want to boo them.
That's wasted.
Let mommy look cool.
Have they been booed?
That's not wasting who?
I don't think over there.
We put some tea lights.
Yeah. Some dark, some Deja vibes. How's that? Yeah, looks good. Oh, that looks so good. We just had spiders. Make sure they're not going anywhere. There we have it. Your boo baskets. Alright, I got you.
Oh, the grass is wet, mommy. Mommy, can I go some?
Y'all sure y'all don't see no boo sign?
There's no boo sign.
Okay. Thank you, you too.
You okay? She fell. Yes.